Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home cooking. That's right, I'm finna cook something here. What I'm gonna have is some French fries there. So I stopped off at Walmart and picked me up a bag of these. As you can see, these Russell potatoes here. Got a big bag of them, so I'm gonna get some of these potatoes out, and I'm gonna peel the potato. Yeah, peel the potato. Then I'm gonna slice it up into French fries, because we're gonna have some French fries tonight. So give me a minute, let me get situated here so that I can share with you the process of me getting these French fries here together. Okay, let me I just need to move my stuff around, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm gonna put some cold water in there, and I'm gonna put some salt in there, because I always like to rinse my potatoes off in some salt water, and then I'll just pour all that so I can get all the starch out of the potato, because we want a good tasting potato. So not potato, French fries. What I want to say, a good potato that we're going to use for our French fries. That's what I want to say. Okay, so give me a minute for that. All right. Okay, what we have here, we got one of these potatoes here, and well, we're gonna use two of them. So we got two potatoes. So we're just gonna take these potatoes right here, and we're just gonna take and get them all, peeled up here. We're gonna get the skin off of it, and we just wanna fix them up where we can have some good old French fries here. So I want to get them good and peeled. Just scrape it off here like that. It doesn't take long. Just get them all good and peel the skin off. So this is one. Almost got it. Almost done. Well, yeah, almost done with getting the skin off of it. Yeah. So I love fixing my own French fries. So that's one potato. Okay, so now we're gonna we have another one, a little small one right here. So got that on. Get the skin off of it. Okay, so almost done with this one. Okay, get the skin off. All right, alrighty. Okay, so now that I have it all, got the skin off. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just wanna, get them cut into some fries. So I have this here little tool that I use, and we'll get us some fries here. Just put the potato right there, and then just put this here right here. Smash it, and see, there we go. We got some little potatoes right here. So now we're just gonna take that, put that over there into the salt water, so we can get all the starch out. Yep, gonna use all this. All right, so we're just gonna take it again, put another one right there. You got it in the center. Yeah, we just want to make sure it's good. Okay, it's on there. So then we just take, and there we go again. We got some more fries. Just put them over in there in that salt water, and you can see the water is you can see where that starch is coming up off of the potatoes. So we're just taking them, just rinse them in that salt water real good, and I'll pour that off of there, and I'll rinse them again. And hey, we'll take and let them, we're gonna take and let them, well, what I want to say, we're gonna take them and let them soak in here for a few minutes in this salt water. Okay, let that soak for a few minutes. Okay guys, I'm back now. I took and poured all the water off and rinsed the fries off real good. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and put them in another pot here into some boiling water. And we're gonna just let them simmer in that. And now in this boiling hot water, I also added some salt to that to you just want them to be real nice and soft. So we're gonna put these in here, and we're gonna let them stay in this hot boiling water for about, I want to say probably about 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, there we go. So we're gonna give them a few minutes there, and once we get them out of there, then we're gonna take and let them cool off. We're gonna pour the water off of them. We're gonna let them cool off, and then we're gonna take and put some cornstarch on them. Okay, so let's give it a few minutes for that to just simmer a little bit here. Okay. Okay. I let it simmer for like 5 minutes, and now you can see it got some more of the starch up out of the potatoes there. You see it's floating to the top there. So now we just wanted to get more of that out of there. So now we're going to take and pour this water off of here and let it cool for a minute, and then we'll take and put some cornstarch on it. Okay, so give me a minute for that. Okay, I have poured all the water off of them, and so now we're gonna take and we're gonna transfer them back over to the bowl here. Give me a minute. Let me see. Let me get this bowl over here. Okay, so now we're gonna take this bowl right here. I'm just gonna pull it right back in there, like that right there. Yeah. So we're gonna let them cool a few minutes before we put some of the cornstarch on there. Okay guys, I got another bowl, and I'm gonna put the French fries in here like that. And now I'm gonna take and put some cornstarch in there, just like that right there. Okay, that cornstarch there, and I put it in there like that so that I can take and put this here top on it. It's covered up like that right there. Okay, now it's sealed. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take and shake it around like that right there, so I can get out the cornstarch. All over the fries. See, there we go. We got them all coated there. Okay, so now I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. I'm gonna take and put them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes, and after that, then we're gonna get ready to fry them. So just give me a minute. Okay, I'm back with the fries, guys. I just taken them out of the refrigerator. I wanted to let them chill a little bit there. So this is the way they're looking. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take these here fries out of here. We're just gonna take and empty them over in there, just like that. We're gonna move them around. Yeah, we just wanna take and scatter them all around here. After getting the cornstarch all on there. So now they are ready to go into the cooking oil. So here we go. And we're gonna let them stay in there for about, I would say, a good 10 to 15 minutes. Not too long, but it's gonna cook them all the way through, and I'm gonna have some good old fries here in a minute. Put the top on it. Okay, be back in a minute. Well, in a few minutes here, once the time is up. Okay, it's about that time, guys. We're gonna check on these fries now. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes, as I was stating earlier. Oh yeah, they're good and brown. Look at that right there. Oh yeah, let's let some of that oil, cooking oil, run off them. Okay. Oh yeah, that's looking good there. So shake that off there. Now I have the bowl already ready with a paper towel to absorb some more of that cooking oil off of them. Just letting that all drip off of there. So now, what we're gonna do is we'll take and just pour these off in here. There we go. Pour them right in there. Okay. That. And we will take and, like they are right now, is a good time to take and put a little bit of seasoned salt on it. Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of this here, this Larry seasoned salt. Like, yeah, we're gonna put sprinkle a little bit of that on there while they're good and hot. Shuffle around like that a little bit. Just add a little of this here and there. Shuffling around. Okay. And then just, you know, shake them a little bit. Like that right there, just shake it. Well, that's good and hot. And now we're gonna take, and I always like to have a little bit more flavor to them. So I have some of this nacho cheese I like on my fries. Just gonna season them up a little bit more. See, this here is the powder. So this is this nacho cheese powder. And we just take, sprinkle some of that over. Like that right there. Just put that in there. Then we just take, shake it again, shake it again. Like that right there. Just keep on shaking it too, you know, get all that little seasoning in there. Okay. All right, guys. Now that we have that in there, you know, just shake it around a little bit. Okay. So now, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, guys. When I say give me a minute, I just give me a minute to just reposition so we can try some of these French fries here. Now you know how I prepared them, so let's taste them. Let's see what they taste like. This is good, guys. I must say. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. You hear it? That cheese on there. Layer out seasoned salt. Man. Oof. These are good. You see it? That's the way you this is the way you can fix you up some fries. Man. It took a lot of preparation, but the results after all that preparation, going through it, you get the best tasty French fries. I'm gonna be done ate all these up, guys. Man, I'm telling y'all. Man, see here. All this is good. Uh-oh, I done started eating these fries. I don't want to stop. Put that flavor to them, a good season on there. I'll see it. This is tasty. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share me fixing some French fries here. So I hope you've enjoyed the preparation of fixing some French fries. But I gotta go now, guys, because I got a bowl of fries to take care of here. But y'all stay tuned in. I got something else I'll be cooking up real soon. Bye for now.